YouTube. Welcome back, man.
What's good?
You see, it's her reactions, man. We back with another reaction, boy. We got NBA YoungBoy walking the ring. Someone told us to do this. We like, okay.
Right.
YB, you know. Saw this in the comments. Got to check it out. YB, you know it. Let's get into this.
Posting it off, I miss it. Had to go hard to get it. I hop in that phone, I hit it. I got on Chanel vintage. You need you a bag, I sent it. My cube and my chain, I rent it.
Okay. Before the beat drop, you think he gonna go faster or same speed, same tempo, or slow?
Nah, I think he gonna go same.
Same? Okay.
On the smooth.
Yeah, he might. Or he might go slower.
Yeah.
Whole lot of blood, I seen it. Walk in the rain, I did it. Give me a pack and I stack up the money. I'm walking the snow. My niggas be trapping, I seen them all hustling.
Bro, I don't know why I had a feeling that he was.
I did too. It's YB. I don't know.
It's YB. I don't know why. He always does it. And then he gonna slow down in the part of a song, probably in the part of the song. That's just already starting off hard.
Collect call, I'm on FaceTime, will it been on the phone? Pronto, need it right now, I can't wait no more. When I jumped out the porch, I was running and testing that dough. It's 8 in the morning, when I wake up, I'm knocking on Katie door. I was broke, I couldn't pay for no smoke. He throw me a gram and I roll. And I think that it's crazy, cause my own brother, he wouldn't throw me shit no. I had to get up and go get it, instead I kept rapping, you know I ain't quit. I knew it was coming, I told him I feel it. 400,000 away from $1 million. You know I'm a killer, the nigga don't tempt me. When I up it, I'm hitting civilians. We all like that drama, and no, I ain't kidding.
When I up it, I'm hitting civilians. That's crazy. Man said, I don't care who I hit.
Instead I kept rapping, you know I ain't quit. I knew it was coming, I told him I feel it. 400,000 away from $1 million. You know I'm a killer, the nigga don't tempt me. When I up it, I'm hitting civilians. We all like that drama, and no, I ain't kidding. Now that I'm here, it's one hell of a feeling. I'ma leave a nigga slump. I ride with them bags in the trunk.
You said what?
I like how he did.
Yeah, you see how like he came in slower. He always did. Well, not saying he always doing that, but he know like which beats and what songs to do that on.
Yeah.
And every time he does it, it's always a good timing. Always perfect with that, John. Okay.
I go with a lick by myself. I done did it all where I'm from. My niggas name tatted on my arm.
And another thing, he could really be on any beat.
Yeah, he can.
And snap.
Any beat.
Any beat, bro. Throw him a beat, country beat, he's snapping on that. It's crazy, bro.
Cause all of them I really love. Give him a kiss and I give him a hug. Don't care what they say cause I don't give a fuck. Posting it off, I miss it. I had to go hard to get it. I hop in that phone and I hit it. I got on Chanel vintage. You need you a bag, I sent it. My Cuban and chain, I rent it. Whole lot of blood, I seen it. Walk in the rain, I did it. Give me a pack and I stack up the money. I'm walking the snow. My niggas be trapping, I seen them all hustling for so long. Collect call, I'm on FaceTime, will it been on the phone? Pronto, need it right now, I can't wait no more. 30 grand in the caddy. I call my town on my daddy. Always gave it if he had it. Now we finally living lavish. Baby Joe won't hurt no more. He accepted in my family. Being still toting that pole. He a little nigga have it. I don't wanna talk if it ain't about no dollar. Forever I lead, I'm never gon' follow. Fuck only short it, then never call. Believing my niggas, I never doubt. My sons remember everything I taught them. Now that I made it, you forever ballin'. Sip on that lane and clutch on that fall. Forever I'm high, I ain't never fall.
Sliding. But you think he but
Clutching that 40.
real shit. You know it.
He always speak for real.
He always do. You think he gonna drop these songs when he get out?
Probably not. Probably not now.
Bro, you know how long it took him to drop Nevada? And what was the other song? I forgot what other song it was. It took him like 2 years to drop. I was like, dang. He gotta drop these songs. You said what?
To drop Hey Now. That's tough.
Posting it off, I miss it. I had to go hard to get it. I hop in that phone, I hit it. I got on Chanel vintage. You need you a bag, I sent it. My Cuban and chain, I rent it. Whole lot of blood, I seen it. Walk in the rain, I did it. Give me a pack and I stack up that money. I'm walking in snow. My niggas be trapping, I seen them all hustling for so long. Collect call, I'm on FaceTime, will it been on the phone? Pronto, need it right now, I can't wait no more.
Bro,
He's
walking
slide.
around. He
No
always
matter
sliding. He gotta
No
just
matter
drop
what.
these. That's all he gotta do. Drop them for us. Drop them.
what. For real, bro.
Drop them for us. He got to.
Got to.
Hey, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man.
For real, man.
Like,
So
comment,
we,
subscribe. Share the vid, man.
Share the video.
We on the road to 100. You see.
100. We at 78.
78, 77, 78. Yeah, 78. We on the road.
Road to 100.
Hey,
here, man.
we
Till
here
next
though. Until
time.
next time, we out this thing.
We out, man.
Gang.